If you are working in the SEO field and trying to rank your website higher in the search engines, then the unique content will be a big concern to you. Google loves unique content and penalizes websites for duplicate content. In this case, you'll need to publish a unique and fresh content on your website. There are many SEO tools online that help in rewriting articles to be at least 90% unique. Personally, I use an awesome tool that helps me in paraphrasing my article in record time. I really see it more efficient than a real writer if we take the cost into consideration. It does the job in a minute or two, and with a little few tuning from my side, I create a totally unique copy from my original article, and with the same quality, if not better. This tool is Quillbot.com. It's free with limited features, however, the full version is way cheap if compared to its fantastic results. And if you decided to go for the Pro version, you can use the link below to get 20% discount on the yearly plan. And believe me, it's worth way more than these little price. In this video I'll show you how I use this tool to create as many unique content as I need in record time with a very little efforts. Here's the website, and now I'm inside my Pro account. This is the main screen of the paraphraser. Here are the modes. Modes are a setting that change what the Quillbot AI will focus on when you paraphrase. Each mode has specific things it focuses on in your text. This is the word flipper. The word flipper directly affects how many words are replaced with synonyms in your text. You can adjust the slider to have more or less words changed. And there's the general settings icon. If you click on the gear icon located on the right side of the screen, you can adjust various settings such as the English dialect, contraction usage, and paraphrasing of quotations. Now let's say I want to paraphrase this piece of content. First, copy it, then paste in this box. Click Paraphrase. Here's the new copy of the original content. If you click Paraphrase once again, you'll get a new variation of the content. And so on. I always spend more time playing around with the resulted article trying to make it more unique, as I do here. You can use the free version, or subscribe for 1 full year for only $40, and if you joined using the link below, you will get 20% instant discount. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you need any help, please contact me anytime, or leave a comment below this video. Thank you for watching.